Stock inward. Keeping the right flow of the stock as per the latest trends is of vital importance in the ever-changing and extremely exciting gem and jewelry retailing. Orders for ornament purchasing can be placed either with supplier or goldsmith. For goldsmith, order can be prepared using shop order document with all the details like weight, design number, book number, etc. Order slip for each ornament is generated. On procurement, appropriate goldsmith receipt voucher has to be entered. In case of diamond jewelry, studded part of order will automatically be transferred to barcode label information. Procurement from supplier is entered through RD purchase document. In RD purchase document, bill number, purchase date, item details can be entered. If bill is not received but material is received, you can enter it through delivery challan. If ornaments are received on approval basis, then that stock is maintained separately. Report of billed and returned approval basis stock can be viewed. Purchased goods or ornament can be returned to supplier. Purchase return document can be used for this purpose. Accounting effect of purchase return is automatically posted to accounts like all other documents. VAT return reflects purchase return amount. For multiple branch organization, inter-branch stock transfers can be handled using stock transfer documents. In case of non-connected branches, documents can be taken on storage device or mailed and then imported at destination branch. This saves data entry time and ensures accuracy. Maker-checker concept can be implemented through passing options. In case of geographically distant branches, in-transit stock can be accurately traced using special facility in Acme Infinity. In some cases, ornament can be taken or given on loan basis, which will be returned back or sold. For this, stock maintenance and proper counter transaction management is possible in the software.